If you want to use the standby mode on iPhone 17e, first of all, of course, we need to make sure that the standby mode is activated. So if you open settings, you should be able to find the standby setting, and in here we want to make sure that it is enabled. Now, we're gonna connect our phone to the power adapter, just like that. We're gonna put the display to sleep, and now what you need to do is simply place your phone on its side. So let me try to do so. I'm gonna move this to the side for a second over here, and if the phone is steady on its side, you should be able to activate the standby mode. Unfortunately, I have to do this for a second to activate the standby mode, so now you don't see anything, but once it is activated, I'm gonna show you. Alright, there we go, I managed to turn it on. Unfortunately, if I move it too far from its side, then you will not be able, then I will actually deactivate it. So we have the welcome message, and I can just tap on continue, and then we have our standby mode. So we should be able to easily access all the information that we have usually available in the standby mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.